So whether we realize it or not, we all have an emotional response to the places that we occupy, whether it's our work or our home. And a big part of that is the materials that make up those spaces. But with Plankprints, we take it a step further, right? We don't just take a pattern or design that somebody created. We take nature and we blend those two things together. We push them together and we create a sense of feeling that is deeper. Not only do we have sort of the artistic element of what we as humans do, we have the natural element that comes from the type of material that we use. So by using these natural reclaimed materials, we get this great sort of built-in benefit of sustainability. But the sustainability of the material is only one aspect of it. Our factory to front door concept, what we're doing is we're preserving jobs. We have people in a factory in the community making this product. And that product is being delivered efficiently directly to people's front doors. Sometimes people ask us, is Stikwood real? And yeah, it's real wood. Usually when we think of wood, we think of something thick and heavy. We didn't change anything about it. It's just the way that we are extracting it. And really what it comes down to is that, if you're going to use wood in a decorative fashion, with thin plank, we just give you what matters. So the peel and stick installation really enables a very fast, effortless transformation of the space. So the feeling we're left with is not just the beauty of what was there when we're done, but how easy and fun the experience was of doing it. So Plankprints is the coming together of technology, art, and craft, along with authentic materials, utilizing those materials in a sustainable and efficient way, a user experience that's really good and creates a result that everybody feels great about. Behind that, a model of sustainability for work and community.